In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website on Tilda. On your browser, search for Tilda and select the Create a Website for Free Tilda Website Builder. Once you click it, here on their homepage, you'll notice a couple of buttons, one for overview and another for create website. Since this tutorial is about creating a website, we'll go ahead and click on create website. Just simply click the orange button and it will redirect you to the sign up for a Tilda account. In here, Tilda will prompt you to create an account. It's pretty straightforward. Just enter your name, your preferred username, and a secure password. After filling up your details, click continue. Tilda will set up your account and take you to the next page. And in here, you'll be redirected to a page where you need to input the name of your project or website. This can be anything you want, but for this tutorial, I'll name mine Ilea Gelato Ice Cream Desserts. And once you've typed in your project name, you'll just need to click the continue button to proceed. And you've successfully created a folder for your website. Now, to add page, just click the plus create new page and Tilda will show you a variety of templates you can choose from. These templates are great if you want a ready-made design to work with, but if you prefer starting from scratch, simply select the blank page option for this tutorial. Once you've selected the blank page, you'll enter the Tilda editor. In here, you'll see Tilda's navigation bar on the left side once it's loaded up. So in here, you'll see a guide for your first page. But if you already have an idea for Tilda's features in creating website, just click skip. In here, you will see their blank page. Now, to start creating website in Tilda, on the left side, you'll see Tilda's navigation bar. This gives you access to all tools you need for designing your site. You can add text, images, galleries, forms, and more. But to give you all an idea of what's possible, I'm going to create a sample website that will be called Ilea Gelato Ice Cream Dessert. And here's a quick look of how you can add elements and or use a ready-made template where you can input your project. And in this case, I'm going to use a template so you can see how to use also a template on Tilda. So basically, it's the same way of how you edit on from a scratch and using a template. You can also add elements if you'd want to. It's just the same from the scratch. If you want to add some designs, you can just simply change its elements. Now, you can customize each block by clicking on it and using settings to adjust fonts, colors, and layouts. Feel free to explore and experiment to different elements and design features because Tilda is built to make the design process to fun and intuitive. So don't be afraid to explore and get creative with your website. And that's it. That's how you create a website on Tilda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.